What if I told you there's a massive, completely free update in the AI world right now that literally turns a single folder of PDFs into a full-scale media empire entirely on autopilot? Seriously, no copy-pasting required. Welcome to The Explainer. Today we are breaking down a tech update that feels way less like using a new software tool and a whole lot more like hiring your own tireless digital employee. We're talking about the absolutely explosive combination of NotebookLM and the Hermes Agent.
I mean, really think about it. What if you literally never had to copy and paste AI text ever again? What if that endless, soul-crushing cycle of generating a prompt, copying the result, switching tabs, pasting it into a doc and reformatting it was just gone? Well, that is exactly what's at stake for your workflow today. We are looking at a system that completely removes you as the middleman. So let's dive right into how this actually works. We are talking about absolutely zero expensive AI subscriptions. No hiring a giant team of writers or virtual assistants, just complete end-to-end automation. We're talking about shifting the entire paradigm from just using AI as a fancy calculator to actually employing AI as an autonomous workforce. And honestly, the craziest part? People are doing this right now for free. It sounds completely impossible, I know, but I'm going to show you exactly how they're pulling it off.
But here is the massive catch with traditional AI. Let's be real for a second. Most AI tools we use today are incredibly smart, but they are also incredibly lazy. They respond, sure, but they don't act. You ask a chatbot for an article, and it writes it. But then what? You still have to grab it, format it, maybe make a thumbnail, build a presentation deck. The AI did the thinking, but you were stuck doing all the heavy lifting. Well, we are finally seeing the shift away from that, moving toward AI agents that actually take action on their own.
To understand this, let's look at the first half of this power duo, NotebookLM. Now, a lot of you already know this is one of the most powerful AI research tools on the planet. You literally upload thousands of pages of PDFs, entire textbooks, massive market reports, messy meeting notes, whatever, and NotebookLM digests all of it to become this absolute deep expert on your specific, unique sources. It's basically the ultimate researcher.
But there's that word again. The content just sits there. NotebookLM gives you these mind-blowing insights. It creates incredible summaries. But then it just stops. It just waits for you. It forces you right back into being that copy-paste middleman to actually do something with all that brilliant research.
So enter Hermes. This is the missing link. Think of NotebookLM as the brilliant researcher, right? And think of Hermes as the employee. NotebookLM gathers all that knowledge, but Hermes steps in to actually take action. Let me be clear, this isn't just another chatbot you type into. If a standard AI model suddenly grew hands and learned how to use a keyboard, that would be Hermes.
Because Hermes actually does have digital hands to manage your workflow. Instead of just spitting out text and saying, here's your content, good luck, Hermes says, don't worry, I'll handle it. It can execute tasks, it can run terminal commands on your computer, manage your files, automate really complex workflows, and even talk directly to your other external tools. Imagine just telling Hermes, hey, take my AI research folder and go create a complete YouTube content package. And Hermes literally just goes and does it. No way, right? Yes way.
Now, you might be wondering, what is the secret technology making this kind of magic possible? It's something called MCP, or the Model Context Protocol. Think of it as a universal translator for AI. Because here's the thing, NotebookLM doesn't officially have a public API that allows for this kind of crazy interaction. So how is Hermes pulling the strings behind the scenes? It's through MCP. Specifically, some incredibly smart developers created an open-source bridge called the NotebookLM-MCP CLI. And this bridge basically lets Hermes talk to NotebookLM, push the buttons, upload the files, and extract the data almost exactly like a real human user would, but at lightning speed using browser automation.
So what does this actually look like in practice? Let's walk through this high-speed autonomous content factory step by step. Step 1. You just drop all your messy industry reports and research into NotebookLM. That's your part done. Step 2. Hermes steps in, takes total control, and extracts a highly detailed master summary. Step 3. Hermes automatically starts generating a massive cascade of assets based on that summary. And finally, Step 4. Hermes literally organizes all those generated files cleanly into the correct folders on your machine. You seriously didn't lift a single finger after Step 1.
Which brings us to the actual output. And this is where it gets wild. Because one single idea, one single folder of research becomes, well, you might want to brace yourself for this.
From that exact same research source, Hermes commands NotebookLM to generate your YouTube script, then a fully formatted blog article, then a week's worth of LinkedIn and X posts. It drafts your email newsletter, builds the text for your presentation deck, generates podcast show notes, creates study materials, and even writes SEO content. I mean, just think about the absolute massive scale of leverage here. Most creators or businesses spend an entire week, sometimes more, trying to turn one good idea into multiple pieces of content. This workflow is quite literally a content multiplication machine that does the whole shebang autonomously.
And believe it or not, it gets even better. Let's look at what some people are starting to call the viral podcast pipeline. You probably already know about NotebookLM's insanely realistic audio overviews, right? Those wild AI-generated podcast conversations between two hosts. Well, imagine automating that entire pipeline. Hermes tells NotebookLM to generate the podcast audio, then it downloads that audio file, creates a full-text transcript, extracts the key viral highlights from the conversation, generates short-form social clips, and archives the whole thing for you. You are no longer just manually creating content piece by piece. You're building automated systems that create media empires.
Now, I know exactly what you're thinking. You're thinking, okay, but isn't all of this just going to sound like super generic robotic AI sludge? Well, actually, not anymore. We are finally moving away from those predictable, boring robotic outputs and introducing the ultimate game changer here, the Memory Loop Vault. This is exactly what prevents your autonomous content factory from sounding like a stale robot.
Here's the secret sauce. Power users are connecting Hermes directly to an Obsidian vault, which is basically a digital personal knowledge base. Inside this vault, you can store your previous writing samples, your personal notes, your company's brand guidelines, specific vocabulary preferences, basically all your past content. So now, every single time NotebookLM generates a new draft, Hermes takes that draft, checks it against your Obsidian vault, and actively rewrites it so it perfectly mimics your unique human voice. It is literally a digital clone of your creative process, and it gets smarter and more accurate every single time you use it.
Of course, we do have to keep things grounded for a minute here. What is the catch? Well, this setup absolutely requires some technical curiosity and some basic setup procedures. Because this whole system relies on cutting-edge, open-source tools like MCXP and command-line interfaces, there is definitely a bit of a learning curve. Things might occasionally break, or they might need updating. Actually, it's definitely not a one-click magic button just yet. But for anyone willing to sit down and learn the basics, you are getting an enterprise-level, fully autonomous AI content studio for absolutely $0.
So look at the big picture here. We are completely moving past AI that just politely answers our questions and stepping into a world where AI researches, creates, and executes entire complex workflows autonomously. The stakes seriously couldn't be higher. So I got to ask you directly, would you use this kind of setup for content creation, for heavy studying, for deep research, or maybe to scale a business? Let me know your specific use cases down in the comments below because I really want to hear how you plan to employ this autonomous machine. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and as always, keep exploring the future.